Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tasmiya, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you on how to style and drape a sari in very easy steps. So if you like my video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. So without any further ado, let's get started. So firstly, wear matching petticoat and a pair of heels. It's always better to wear heels with a sari. Here I am using a red colored embroidered sari in georgette. Take the non-pallu end of the sari, tie it in a knot and tuck it in on the right side of the waist. Wrap around the sari once and tuck it around completely. Take the pallu end, wrap around once and put it on the shoulder. Check the desired pallu length and pin it on the shoulder. It's always better to have pallu till the knee length. Now from the front, take the pallu to the back and bring it in the front and tuck it on the waistline. The remaining fabrics that's left will become the pleats. Starting from left, the first pleat that I'm making is of a bigger width because there will be space for walking, and then the rest of the pleats will be of a smaller width, of the size of your finger, like I'm making here. If you're having problem handling the pleats, then just pin the pleats one after each other. You can remove the pins after the pleats are done. After making the pleats, and once they're done, arrange the pleats so that they fall one next to each other, and then just pin it up. Now tuck the sari inside the petticoat. If you want, you can pin it on the inside so that it stays as long as you want. If there is any extra fabric showing up, then push it on the left because it's anyway going to be covered with the pallu. The first method of styling the pallu is simply layering the pallu on the shoulder. It's the most easiest and very common drape. Now if you find it difficult and do not know how to handle this pallu, then just pleat the pallu end as I'm doing here and pin it up together so that it's easier to handle. Second most common pallu drape is the pleated pallu. Just as easy it sounds, it's not always easy to get those perfect pleats on the pallu. So here's the trick. Fold the pallu so that you get the desired length. Once you have folded the pallu and got the length, pleat the pallu for that length and you'll surely get those perfect pleats. Now you can use this technique for any kind of saris, like silk, cotton or embroidered. It works for all. After the pleats are done, arrange the pleats all together and pin the pleats so that they will remain, and put it on the shoulder. Always keep the pallu length till the knee or even longer. That makes you look taller. ulta pallu draping is very easy, classy and looks unique. So here, make the pleats on the pallu and place it on the right side of the shoulder. Secure the pallu by pinning on the shoulder. After pinning the pallu on the shoulder, wrap around the pallu and bring it in the front and place it on the center of the waist like I am placing and pin it up. So yeah, this is how easy it is to drape the ulta pallu. Also, I styled the sari with a golden embroidered blouse, kada bangles and oversized chand balis. Kept my hair free and open. You can use this technique to drape any kind of sari. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then do hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye. Thanks for watching.